Do you think the AI revolution is limited to just chatbots or generating images? If so, you are mistaken. This week, AI has reached a stage where robots are now learning tasks simply by watching human videos, and they're even ready to help with our household chores. Today, I will show you AI tools and robots that will make you feel like you are watching a movie from the future. Greetings to everyone from the AIIT Guy channel. Now let's dive into the unbelievable facts of the AI world. AGIBot is the world's #1 humanoid robot. Did you know that a robot revolution occurred globally in 2025? According to the Omdia report, 13,000 humanoid robots were shipped worldwide last year. Surprising everyone, AGIBot took the #1 spot with a 39% market share. They alone delivered over 5,100 robots, leaving Tesla and other companies far behind. The secret to these robots' success is their one robotics body, 3 intelligence architectures, which integrates 3 special capabilities into one body. First is motion intelligence, which ensures fluid human-like movement. Second is interaction intelligence, which helps them speak with and understand humans directly. And finally, task intelligence, which enables them to perform complex tasks with absolute precision. This harmony has made the AGIBot the most advanced robot on the market. Currently, these are not just confined to labs. They are working in 8 different real-world sectors, such as guiding guests in hospitality and reception. Additionally, AGIBots are being successfully used in challenging tasks like industrial manufacturing, logistics, and security. Their portfolio includes the full-size Ant series, the compact XBid series, and the industrial G series. Even their OmniHand system can perform tasks as precisely as a human. How would it be if a humanoid robot could learn any task just by watching human videos on YouTube? Today, we'll see what the world's smartest robots can do now. First, let's talk about 1X Neo. They recently released a video demo showing Neo learning to work independently without any assistance. Behind this is the 1X World model, powered by 14 billion parameters. This model was trained on 900 hours of human video and 70 hours of robot data. It's almost as if the robot first dreams of a solution in its mind and then demonstrates it in reality. Skilled AI. Skilled AI has gone a step further. They aren't just focused on one specific robot. They can teach any robot tasks through video. The biggest challenge in learning from video is the lack of physical charts or force data, but Skilled AI has solved this problem. Their new model can transfer human hand movements into a robot's mechanics. Interestingly, they need less than an hour of robot data to learn a new skill. They call it Omni-Embodied Learning, and I am here to assist you with AI and IT through my voice, media, and digital expertise. By staying connected with our family, I guarantee you will receive valuable guidance in AI and IT. LimX Dynamics. Next, let's look at LimX Dynamics' CLOSA system. Most robots think first and move later, but in the CLOSA system, cognition and motion work simultaneously. Their robot, named Ali, runs on this system. It doesn't stop to recalculate while performing a task. Instead, it continues working while thinking in real time. It can walk, balance, and manipulate objects all at once. DreamIDV. Let's talk about DreamIDV. It is currently the state-of-the-art video face swapper.
The demo shows how perfectly a face can be swapped using an original video and a reference face. It doesn't just swap faces, it retains subtle expressions like blinking and lip-syncing perfectly. UNI-Video Model. The UNI-Video Model released by the Kling team has redefined video editing. It is a unified model that can generate and edit video simultaneously. If you want, you can insert any character into a video just from a single photo. The most powerful feature of this model is that you can write instructions over a reference image. For example, if you write instructions for a car explosion on a still image, it will automatically create a cinematic shot. You can even replace Spider-Man with Superman, or change a character's clothing in an instant. DreamStyle. For changing video styles, DreamStyle is an extraordinary tool. It can transform any ordinary video into Lego style, anime, pixel art, or even traditional Chinese painting. It provides much more precise results compared to giants like Runway and Luma. Here, you can upload a reference image instead of just a text prompt to implement that style across the entire video. For instance, a Minecraft screenshot can turn your whole video into a Minecraft world. DeepTutor. Usually, chatbots only give answers, but DeepTutor teaches you proactively. You can upload your textbooks or lecture notes here. It will create quizzes based on your level and explain complex concepts through diagrams. It's essentially an open-source version of Notebook LM. InfiniteDepth. In the field of depth prediction, InfiniteDepth is a new milestone. It can generate depth maps for any image in 8K or even 16K resolution. As a result, a highly detailed 3D point cloud can be created from a simple image, something no other computer tool can do. To stay updated on AI like this, subscribe and stay connected with the AIIT Guy family. Thank you.